All right. This logarithm problem looks pretty intimidating at first glance because we're dealing with two completely different bases. But once you spot the structure, the whole thing starts collapsing beautifully. Here's the equation. Log base 2 of x plus log base 3 of x equals 5. And our mission is to solve for x. Now the problem is, we can't directly combine these logarithms. Why? Because their bases are different. One uses base 2, the other uses base 3. So the first move is to rewrite both logs using the change of base formula. Log base 2 of x becomes log x over log 2. And log base 3 of x becomes log x over log 3. So the equation transforms into log x over log 2 plus log x over log 3 equals 5. Now something nice appears. Both terms contain log x. So let's factor it out. That gives us log x times the quantity 1 over log 2 plus 1 over log 3 equals 5. Now, let's combine those fractions inside the parentheses. The common denominator is log 2 times log 3, and the numerator becomes log 3 plus log 2. And here comes a beautiful logarithm identity. When you add logarithms, you multiply inside the log. So log 3 plus log 2 becomes log of 6. That simplifies the equation dramatically. Now we have log x times log 6 all over log 2 times log 3 equals 5. Now let's reorganize things carefully. We can rewrite it as log x over log 2 times log 6 over log 3 equals 5. Now move the second fraction to the other side. Log x over log 2 equals 5 times log 3 over log 6. And now we get to reverse the change of base formula. Log x over log 2 turns back into log base 2 of x, and log 3 over log 6 turns into log base 6 of 3. So the equation becomes log base 2 of x equals 5 times log base 6 of 3. Now we switch from logarithmic form into exponential form. The base is 2. The exponent is 5 times log base 6 of 3. And the result is x. So x equals 2 raised to the power 5 log base 6 of 3. But we can simplify this one more step. Using exponent rules, 2 to the power of 5 log base 6 of 3 is the same as 2 to the 5th power, all raised to log base 6 of 3. And 2 to the 5th power is 32. So the exact answer becomes x equals 32 raised to the power log base 6 of 3. Whoa! That's the exact value. And if you approximate it on a calculator, you get roughly 8.373. Super elegant problem. At first, it looks chaotic, But really, it's just about breaking logarithms apart, then rebuilding them in the right way. Would you have spotted the log identities immediately? Or would this one have trapped you for a while? Let me know, and I'll see you in the next one.